The VIVOSUN automatic drip irrigation kit delivers very consistent watering through well-designed emitters and regulators that keep flow even across all plants. Its programmable controller lets you set multiple watering schedules and easily switch between automatic and manual modes, so your plants stay cared for even when you are away. The compact 15-watt submersible pump moves a strong volume of water while running quietly, making it suitable for indoor grow tents or discreet balcony gardens. Because it draws from a simple bucket or other container instead of a fixed faucet, it is easy to mix nutrients and adjust your solution without reworking your plumbing. Installation is straightforward for a do-it-yourself grower, with clear layout options and included tools that help prevent common issues like siphoning. With support for up to 8 pots and compatibility with many growing media, this kit scales well from a small indoor setup to a more intensive hobby garden.